Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Jenny Rosiana Bayo,
How old are you?
41 years of age.
What is your religion?
I'm Christian.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
2.
How old are they?
They are 16 and 20 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I'm only working here for only 4.5 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
Malaysia.
How many years?
Finished contract. 2.
2 years.
Yes.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
4.5 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Typo.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
800.
How many family member there?
5.
How many children?
No.
Okay, so 4 adults all, right?
Yes.
5. Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 7 and then I need to wash all the plates. And then, after washing the plates, I need to clean the kitchen. From the kitchen, go to the dining table and to the living room, up to all the rooms in the house, and then the last is the toilet. And then, after cleaning the toilet, I need to iron all the clothes, and then, when finished ironing the clothes, I go to the market, go for marketing, and then, 4 o'clock, I need to cook again already the soup. For the soup is a long boiled soup, and 6 o'clock I need to prepare the dinner already.
Okay, so what time they eat?
They eat at around 8 o'clock, and I finish all my works at 12 o'clock
Okay.
at night.
Okay, thank you so much.